Welcome back to the vlog. So we woke up in Dubai this morning. It took us about a whole day to get here, so we didn't film any of that. It was boring. We slept on a plane and that was about it.
14 hours of
14
flying.
hours.
Charlotte to Boston, Boston to Dubai.
We're up we got up around like 6, but nothing really opens here until at least 9. So we're just hanging out until the breakfast place opens.
It's super bright. It's not even 8 o'clock yet, and that sun is harsh here. The temperature right now is about 90 degrees. The high today will be 105 or 106 degrees. We got the Burj Khalifa right behind us. And today, Ashley and I are going to get breakfast at a little place in town that Ashley found. Later, we're going out into the desert to do a little excursion out there.
Almost half your sandwich. We're currently at the aquarium and indoor zoo, I think it's called. Our hotel gave us free tickets, so we decided to come here and see it. It's inside the Dubai Mall. Overall, the aquarium was pretty small, but it offered a lot of different animals to see.
So Ashley and I have eaten lunch. We relaxed a little, took a little recovery nap. We're now getting ready to head out to the desert to do a little excursion out there this afternoon and tonight. It's about 4 o'clock, and they are going to pick us up around 4:15. We are now going to watch a falcon show out here in the desert. Nothing around.
Okay, so this is going to be Falcon Airlines, runway number 1. Okay, so here we go. 3, 2, 1. See, let's go what you just caught.
Right after the Falcon show, we headed into camp for dinner. Camp was set up in the middle of nowhere and was only lit by traditional lamps. It was actually very cool to experience this. Starting to have dinner now, and the first course is lentil soup, and then we'll have starters and then a big feast. A lot of food. And we just got some of our starters to the table. Colin's embarrassed because I put the flash on. But we got
Beef something
and cheese,
hummus, salad, bread.
more salad.
Just got the main dish.
That is chicken, no, pork.
Chicken, pork, yogurt, rice, vegetables.
I have camel,
Ashley has some camel,
and I have no.
and then another
Chicken, wasn't it?
another chicken. Yes. And then this is a lemon
I think that's chicken
mint
too.
sauce. Or this is a lemon mint drink, which is very good.
So we have the snacks, and then after all that stuff is for the evening. So you can smoke a shisha, relax if you want.
We just took a Uber to the beach, and I think it's like their public beach, and we're at the Salt Cafe, and we got a shake and some more food coming. It tripped us up because they said their shake was lotus. We had no clue what lotus was, but we figured it out. It's a cookie. I don't know what they're called. Viscous in the US.
We're not going to hear a thing you're saying. I can say that right now.
It's like Shake Shack.
That's what I was going to say. It is 103 degrees outside right now, so this breeze that you're hearing is not very cooling at all. It's kind of like you're in a hairdryer.
Waiting on the Dubai fountain show, and while we're waiting, they have these squares like taped off where only one person can be in them at a time. I'll flip around and show you.
We have picked up our bag from the hotel and we're heading off to the airport.
We're on the plane to Doha,
Qatar.
and then we have to get a connecting flight to Uganda, and then we'll be in Africa.